So this video is about how to create your own custom route in Laravel. By default, Laravel has divided, separated, and maintained a well-defined route system in our Laravel application. If you go to your route folder, there is api.php where you define your route for API, and there is a web.php where you define your route for your web application or website. But the issue arises when you have a huge application like HR management system, or you are building on a CRM or anything, or large application. Then there will be a ton of huge of amount of route in here, and when you are searching or finding a specific route, then you have to scroll long, and there will be a lot of route in here. So to solve that problem, to manage that, you can create your own custom route in Laravel, and I'm gonna show you that in this video. Just go to your route and name any folder name. I'm gonna create a wave. My concept is so let me define as a customer. Yeah, so this is a customer folder where I'm gonna keep all my route related to customer. So now in customer folder, create your customer slash customer.php customer. So now that is created, go to your web.php and just simply copy this and go to your customer.php and then paste it and give it a name as customer. This is a route, and I'm not gonna create any controller or function in controller, so I'm just gonna delete. Customer route is working. So if you go to your browser and put slash, then hit enter, that is the way it's supposed to be working, right? But it will not work because we just created our route, but we have not defined it in our Laravel system. But so to do that, we need to do a couple of steps. So go to your app, then provider, then route service provider, and go to your bottom. Then you will see this map web routes, and there is another map API route. So just simply copy this and paste it and call it my customer route. Prefix is a like in the beginning of the word is given to your route, then middleware, then a name is miss, and this is a group based path. Basically this is important part, and this is a API, this is also important. So I'm not gonna, so let me write like customer route, then in this is a relative path, this is a path to your users custom file. So my file is inside route customer, then customer.php. so I'm just gonna inside route slash customer slash customer.php. so I did it right, but it will still not work because we need to load it. So go to your top, and in here $this map my customer routes. Now go to your browser and paste it. Now my prefix is customer route and my route name is customer URL is customer. So I'm using a prefix, so I have to do this. It's working, right? So you don't have to use prefix. So in that case you can remove that. I'm also not going to use any middleware. So I can just use this route name in my browser. So remove this prefix and hit enter. It's working. So this is how you create your own custom route in Laravel.